video. Ulit. Ulit, Van. Bye-bye. Wala ko na save.
Wala to.
Sige, again, what's your message for Ivan?
Good luck to you. Good luck.
And then your message to Arnold.
Max regards.
Regards lang.
Alright, Rambo, we got us up here. You mind telling
Tipid.
us what we're fighting?
Van. What's your message, sa amin?
Luck.
Good luck, Ra.
The hell is that? Sounds
Wala yung mga tao.
nice.
Wow, kasitmate ni Ivan ko.
Samis!
Tara na. Bye-bye, Van.
Arnold.
Ako na po, eh.
Naman.
Ra.
Gagay na kayo.
Bye-bye, Van. Regards ko si Polog.
Ako po, Van.
Regards ko sa mga December takers, sila Rochelle, sila Julie, sila Sheila, sila Anna, sila Shane, sila Ate Buna, si Cora, and etc. To all December takers sa Dipolo. Good luck!
Reporter!
Ikaw. That is Ma'am Juby, review assistant in Cagayan branch, and she has a message to you all, the Polo group.
Good luck. All guys, hope no pass the December boarding now. Go for it. Grab your license.
Char, teka lang. Okay. Bye-bye, Van! Lakaw na, hoy! Bye-bye.